Let's take another look outside, and it is gray, and we're waiting for more rain, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Some people already have the rain.
Yeah, right. Woo. Some people are excited. You can turn the sprinklers off. Everything you planted is getting watered. The grass, the weeds.
Yeah. But the driving is awful.
Yeah,
oh my
you're
gosh.
right. Yeah, you're right.
People forget how to drive in the rain.
It's true, and it's the evening commute too, so we're getting some rain. We'll show you what we have right now. This is Olympia, a time lapse, a lot of gray conditions. The rain has been coming down, not heavy, but steadily. And then, by the way, the pollen count, oh, those weeds, it is high now. Grass is low. Trees are in the moderate category. Great shot over the waterfront. Yeah, lots of great conditions. By the way, tomorrow morning, sunrise 5:31. I think we're rain-free. What we're doing tomorrow is going to be very similar to what we're doing today since it's at 8:41. By the way, if you ever want your forecast, text the word weather to 206-448-4545. You can also use that number to send us your pictures. Let us know what's going on, what you're doing in the rain, how your garden is doing after all the rain's coming through, whatever you want to share with us. We'd love to share your pictures. Green, light green, and a few shades of dark green. Some light rain coming down, enough to wet the roads, make them slick. And you know, oil and water don't mix. There's a lot of water bringing a lot of that oil up to the surface since we haven't had a whole lot of rain in the past week or so. Got some yesterday, but today we'll add another 1/4 inch or so at best for some spots, and that's going to be right along the coast. This system is down to the south. It's slowly moving its way up to the north, very similar to what we saw yesterday. And all of these systems coming through tend to be coming up from the south and working their way up to the north. As we look at Futurecast, 6:30, here we've got some scattered showers. Notice this, 8 o'clock, we got a little window. Some spots will get a break. Seattle, Tacoma, parts of the Kitsap Peninsula by 8 o'clock. But then 9 o'clock, that rain starts to move up from the south again. So if you get a break from the rain, we're not done. And then tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, just a few scattered showers down to the south. It's similar to what we're doing today with scattered showers by the afternoon. And then tomorrow evening, 9, 10, 11 o'clock, the rain will pick up. It'll be a little heavy at times. And then on Friday, you'll notice some more rain coming through for the morning hours from midnight to about 8 o'clock in the morning. So the Friday morning commute is going to be tricky. So tomorrow's great. Friday morning, not so much. And then as we go into the weekend, we basically have a mix of sun and clouds right through the weekend as well. Temperatures remaining mostly in the 60s, and these are mostly low to mid 60s, which is pretty average for this time of year. We will go 66 tomorrow. Mariners coming back home again, playing another game. We'll see some showers Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Again, a mix of sun and clouds, and we'll carry this right into next week as well.